If your iPhone is overheating after installing the iOS 26 update, you're not the only one. Many users are reporting temperature spikes, even during light usage. This usually happens because of background processes, buggy beta code, or poor app optimization. But don't worry, here are some quick fixes to cool down your iPhone and prevent it from heating up again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. When you first install a beta update, your iPhone runs background indexing and re-optimization. Wait 24 to 48 hours after the update to let your phone settle. If the problem persists, a quick reboot can stop overheating loops. Press and quickly release volume up, then the volume down button. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo shows. If it doesn't turn back on, release the power button and hold it again. Now, when the phone turns back on, see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 2. Check for rogue apps. Some apps aren't optimized for iOS 26 yet. Go to Settings, find and tap Battery. Now look at battery usage by app. If one app is using a lot of power, delete it and reinstall it later when it's updated for iOS 26. Solution 3. Turn off background app refresh. This feature keeps apps updating even when you're not using them. Go to Settings, find and tap General. Scroll down and tap Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again. Set it to off. Solution 4. Disable location services smartly. Go to Settings, scroll all the way to Privacy and Security. Now tap Location Services. Turn off location access for apps that don't need it. It could be clock app, voice memos, reminders, etc. After that, scroll down to the bottom of Location Services page. Select System Services. Disable HomeKit. Tap Significant Locations to turn it off. These two are not that important of a feature and they can seriously reduce the heating issue. Solution 5. Reduce motion and visual effects. If animations feel smoother in iOS 26 but battery life feels worse, go to Settings, find and open Accessibility. Tap Motion. Toggle on Reduce Motion. Also toggle Prefer Crossfade Transitions if you have it available. Hopefully your problem will be fixed after this. Now if the overheating is extreme and nothing works, you might want to downgrade to iOS 18 using Finder or iTunes on a PC or Mac. Or wait for the next patch update, which usually fixes these early bugs. So, that's how you can fix the overheating issue on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26. Let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of questions or if you found a better fix. Thanks for watching.